How to create AI apps using Bolt.new. First, open your web browser and go to Bolt.new. Then sign in with your GitHub account or another available sign-in option. Once you're on the home screen, click New Project or start a new chat if it's your first time using Bolt.new. Next, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe the app you want to build. For example, type "Create a modern AI to-do list app with user login, task categories, dark mode, and a responsive design." After entering your prompt, click Generate or press Enter. Bolt.new will automatically create your app, including the interface, code, and project structure. Once the app is generated, review the preview and use the built-in AI chat to request changes. For example, you can ask it to add a profile page, connect a database, create a settings screen, or improve the design. When you're happy with the result, test your app in the live preview to make sure everything works correctly. Finally, save your project or publish it using the available deployment options. You can also export the project code if you want to continue developing it locally. That's it. You've successfully created an AI app using Bolt.new. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, app development tips, and easy tech guides.